Okay, example 2, same kind of problem. The only difference between this one and the last one, if we take a look at the inside pieces here, 3 times 6 makes 18. 18 is 2 times 9, and 2 is prime, and 9 is 3 times 3. Notice that we can create a structure that has a pair of numbers inside with no radicals from previous lessons that we can take a perfect square out like that. Okay, I do expect each of these radicals to be simplified as much as possible. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. You can pick which way you like to do the best. All right. So first way is this. This will be the way I don't like better, but I'll show you anyway just in case you like it better. First way is to do just like I did in example 1. All right. The outside numbers, 4 times 6 makes 24. 3 times 6 on the inside the radical is going to make 18. And then if we take a look at 18, again doing this factor tree, 2 times 9, and that's 2 times 3 times 3. So that gets me 24 times the square root of 2 times 3 times 3. A pair of 3's gets to come out like so. We get 72 times the square root of 2. That's technique 1. And if you want to do it that way, by all means you can do it that way. I have no problem with that. That does require you to recognize that, hey, this I think has some perfect square factors, so you go ahead and factor it down like that. The last problem you recall was 6, 2 times 3. No perfect squares, nothing came out. The better way of doing this, in my opinion, is go ahead and do the outside number as we did it, 24 square root of. All right? But instead of multiplying these together, 3 times 6, I'm going to do 3 times 6. 3 is already prime, 6 breaks down to 3 times 2. Okay? In other words, you just underline some different colors here so you see where I'm coming from. This 3 multiplied by this 6. 3 times 6 is already partially broken down 18, and then that 6 breaks down again. So instead of starting up here at 18, I'm starting at this level, which is 3 times 6 instead of 2 times 9. You can imagine that. So if I did 18 is the same as 3 times 6, I'm starting here instead of up here. It's just one less step to deal with. And that already gets me to the point where I'm ready to go here, right? So I've got a pair of 3's inside. I get to pull 1 3 outside. 72 times the square root of 2. That's how I personally do it. So instead of multiplying 3 times 6 to make 18, just to break it all the way back down again, it's already partially broken there, just break it the rest of the way. It tends to make it more efficient, easier, quicker, which is what our goal is always, right? Quick and accurate. Faster the better.
Yes, sir.